Today is another incredibly proud big sister moment. As I see you sit here, ready to start a life with the man you love, you're an incredible woman and you're going to make an incredible wife. Nick allows Alyssa to be herself completely and makes her passions his passions. Nick, you're truly everything I could ever want for my little sister. I can see the signs. I'd head to my way
through. You never stop putting each other first, and your love for one another has never wavered. That in and of itself has been the greatest lesson that I have learned watching you two grow deeper in love. You two give everyone hope that a greater, truer love is out there. And I think I can speak for everyone assembled here today when I say that this beautiful wedding is exactly what you two deserve for having one of the greatest love stories in the world.
My dear friends, I introduce for the first time Nick and Alyssa, husband and wife.
For my entire life, I made Nick laugh more than anyone else, and it was and is something that I took great pride in. We were hanging out, and I remember seeing Alyssa kind of crack jokes at Nick. It was my job to make Nick laugh at the most ridiculous things I could come up with. But when I took another look, I saw Nick wearing really the most genuine smile across his face, and it was then that I knew that I was looking at my future sister-in-law.
We all have one thing in common, and that's, we're all here for Nick and Alyssa. Our family's been a part of their journey the last 9 years. Congratulations. Please raise a glass and just great things in the future for you guys.